Let's quickly compare the Arduino UNO and the NodeMCU. The Arduino UNO runs on an 8-bit ATmega 328 microcontroller at 16 MHz with 2 KB of RAM and no built-in wireless features. The NodeMCU, built around the ESP8266 chip, uses a 32-bit processor running at 80 to 160 MHz and comes with 64 KB of RAM plus built-in Wi-Fi. The UNO gives you 14 digital pins and 6 analog inputs, perfect for basic electronics and sensor projects. The NodeMCU has fewer GPIO pins but adds the power of wireless networking right out of the box, making it ideal for Internet of Things applications. When it comes to programming, the Arduino UNO uses the Arduino IDE with simple C or C++ code, while the NodeMCU can also be programmed with the Arduino IDE, Lua scripts, or even MicroPython. If you are starting out or need stable timing and hardware control, the Arduino UNO is a great pick. But if you want wireless features and more processing power for connected projects, the NodeMCU is the smarter choice.